Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will tell you how to connect two monitors to your laptop. So first of all, you can connect up to 3 monitors to your laptop, not including the wireless display function, but generally speaking, on the right edge of your device there are 3 different ports that allow you connecting a monitor to it. So the first one is HDMI, and right next to it you can see 2 USB Type-C ports that support DisplayPort connections. So what you have to do is simply connect the cable, HDMI or DisplayPort cable, into one of these 3 ports, and then connect the other end of the cable into the monitor. And once you do that, into the monitors, and once you do that, of course make sure that your monitors are plugged into the power source, and then just select a projection type. Now you can see the projection types by pressing Windows and P buttons at the same time, and then selecting the projection type that you need, or alternatively you can use F8 button. And if F8 button doesn't do anything for you, press Fn button and escape key together, and make sure that you see this locked Fn key option on your screen, icon on your screen, and then you use F8 button to select the projection types and you can select one of the 4 types of projections. Now the PC screen will only show you the display of your monitor, so it will not project your monitor. But if you select duplicate, it will duplicate the image from your laptop to the monitors, and if you extend the image, you will make both monitors an extension of your display, so your display will be divided between 3 different monitors, including your laptop, or even 4, and then you can also only show this second screen, so only the screen of your monitor, and that's the last option. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.